Here we are, this is the Proxon MF70. When we go left, X left is the main axis, X the longest. The tool goes to the left against the piece, the machine goes to the right. Then down, axis move away, tool moves towards me on the piece. So 0, 0 corner is here. This is Z down, Z up, Z down, Z0 is on the surface of the material, like this. This moves, I go down. Doesn't move anymore. This is 0Z, up, left, down. This is 0, 0, 0, bottom left corner on the piece, and 0Z. Then we go positive X, 0X, negative X, positive Y, positive Y, sorry, 0Y, negative Y, positive Z, 0Z, negative Z.